4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. Today I am doing a follow-up to my affordable wig brands for white women video that I did. People really liked that and found it very informative, so I thought I would do a follow-up. And now we're going to be doing more affordable wig brands for white women, because it's more in this video, because it's the second video. You know what I mean? So if that is what you're looking for, you have found it. The wig that I'm wearing right now is Tressalore's Ashland, and I'm also wearing it with the hairdo synthetic braid accessory called Thick Braid. What I'm wearing on my eyes, I've been trying to include that a little bit in videos, is the Dose of Colors Katie times Desi Friendication palette, and it looks like this. I'm wearing all these neutral colors, so that is what that is. Alright, so these are in no order, but these are some 5 additional wig brands, so let's just get started. First is Vivica Fox or Amor Mio. They are the same company. I have a full playlist of Vivica Fox and Amor Mio together. I will put that down below so you can check out some of their wigs. I do feel like they do a lot of different blonde mixes, and just the styles and the cuts I think that women who are not of color would really appreciate. And they do a lot of curly wigs that aren't super like a coarse texture, and I think that's really great. So definitely check them out. Next is Newborn Free. In my first video I mentioned Magic Lace, which is a Newborn Free company, but Newborn Free has just wigs that are under the name Newborn Free. A lot of them are like their cutie line is their full cap line. I do feel like they really cater to colors and styles that would be useful, also because they do have the full cap. If you're someone who is struggling with sensitive scalp or hair loss issues and are not really able to wear a wig that has like lace front or anything like that, or a wig with combs, that is really, really great. Their pricing, even like their Magic Lace line, are a little bit more expensive for them, and you can get them on great deals, but like they're ranging in that $30 range. But like the cutie line, I got so many of them, so cute of the cutie line, for $20 or less, so definitely check them out. Next is Janet Collection. I love Janet Collection, and just in general, I will put all my playlists for these wig brands down below. I love Janet Collection because of their blonde mixes. I also like their melted hairline line. I think it's just a very realistic hairline. It's really easy to use, but they have a shade called Mocha Blonde, okay? And I just think that it's a very nice sort of an ashy toned blonde that's not super bright, that I think women would really enjoy. Next is Outre. They have some colors that I think, especially their sort of like blondes, the mixes, they have these face framing colors, which means it would be, you know, a blonde mix, but then there'd be like lighter pieces in the front. They have FF colors called Sandstone Blonde, Champagne, Caramel. They're just really nice, like browns, blondes. Their textures are nice. They're very multicultural, so I do feel like you and Outre's killing the game right now with wig styles, with wig hairlines, with all kinds of stuff. So they're definitely one to check out and not to sleep on. And last but not least in this particular video is Bohemian. You see Bohemian a lot in wig beauty supply stores, but I get my Bohemian online. And again, they're gonna fall in that line with like the Newborn Free, where they do have some full cap wigs that I just think would be very realistic for women who are not of color. The one caveat I want to say to all of these, just in general, if you are a woman that is looking at a company that predominantly markets to women of color, keep in mind, like, look more towards the style and not the color. I think sometimes the colors throw women off, because, you know, sometimes you're looking for more of the lighter colors and you can't really picture that. But just understand, look for the style and the texture of what you want, and know that there's so many, like, most of these wigs come in so many other colors. So it's just a matter of finding the style that you like, and then finding a color mix in that particular brand that you enjoy, and then you can just actually search. So if you really like the mocha blondes, you can search whatever wig it is, just say it's Janet Collection Sky, put Janet Collection Sky mocha blonde, and it'll come up if it does come in that color. So that's just a better way to shop for it. So sometimes it's just hard for people to like picture certain things on them. So I think if you can isolate a few colors that you actually like from that brand and then search wig styles based on that, I think you probably have better luck. That's what I have for you in this video. If you have anything to add, please put it down below. If you would like me to do any other follow-up video on this topic, also put that down below. I am including my Wigs 101 and Wig Tips playlists down below because I've done a ton of videos on wig tips and tricks, and also just like actual detailed videos on wig wearing and wig knowledge and wig coaching. So I will include those down below as well. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video.